no the hanya in a do hair path go see the no tonight. Okay, this afternoon I would say is just like the dark. No, I want to come and share about the reading son's Bible. Okay, and the Genesis. No, when you hear to da bakala no love Genesis no Genesis is an emina demose little musimano memelo piyoklo pako wala kauche no awani little musimano paket ketura bakala no we said do a vehicle we want to talk about the city of Saddle. Okay, Saddle. No, let us put out paket later deal. Abraham pleads for Saddle. Why reasons for why Abraham pleading for Saddle. Saddle is okay. Abraham has the consensus over there at the Lord. Okay, they has the family there. Now, they all are hippocapo panimano when a wizard copanamano, Gara solo or a hippocapo pane. Here's Abraham pleads for Saddle. No, when it's Abraham, no, Pagitamahi, Pagitamala, no, Katupu played Allah with Sadu Ogo, no, Sadu Ogom, Pagitel dinner. When the man get up to leave, no, Panero, Bakanyoted Pani, or whether they settled or Hatoveda, they look down towards Sodom, no, or whether they no Quahovera, Su Saduku, no, and Abraham walked along with them, no, to see them on their ways, no, Paneros Abraham, no, later with the Tedagaro, no. No later with it, no tea dollar with it, no lele clear when it puni, no pugitama on their ways, no clear when it puni. Then the Lord says, no panelokasa devawara, no. The Lord said, Dogasa devawara, shall I hide from Abraham? No, ke yekapa kututaro. Abraham, Abraham, no. What I am about to do, not Tala Yekamarani Yekapakutu Taraso Abraham, no. Penny Davidamano, no Pedro Deda, no. Abraham will surely become a great and powerful nation, no. Penny of General so Abrahani, did I know? No. Hi, no, so Abrahani gave out a Bagitanamano. Aware surely Sidane, a me at all. No, a work a care or a Paragala, a he, do, Paragala Uro, a so a camo, no, Padu, lo hoku doppler, no, powerful nation, no, that are no hoku doppler, or sukumo, no, and our nation on earth, no, will be blessed through him, no lo hako dot planning no hako dot planning there no lo ko dot plan puni no tasu gile kadu tasu kanibala couple away no through him no later no for I have chosen him no later no who are yehut all no so no that's he will direct his children and his household after him to keep the ways of the Lord, no, by doing, no, what is right and just, no, away ni, Jerala, aware tahuta or, no, aware kamawera, le sunya ko a vehicle, a poor theatre park, a hippo hopo, theatre parlor, casunya like a hair. Do awake he have clear bolo kasayate or no do awake mawe taler bagderma kasayo malo tio no tal abati the part no yes that's the part so that the laws will bring about for Abraham no away little kudara kasayo high no kasayone ke heso weda no so Abraham no takita kulira what he has promised him tala olo olo taro so Abraham no then the Lord says we Lord kasasi weda the outcry against Sodom and Gomorrah is so great and their sin so grievous no pagite grievous no pagite mala away ni no pagite ma yes I'm okay no away ni pagite timala no pagite timam dile no away ni kasaya sevda la no ta ko basudo no do pagite ma ta ko basudo la against no ta thodu thoda la pagite mala sado puro Gomorrah no phane mi ta la tala wisadura Gomorrah mi tala aghi mi no mi tala aghi no no awati to phane o ro ta de ba no pagite mala grievous ne dudu gele no pagite ma dudu gele no pwe we ro tasa phe tawal phe no pwe we ro tasa phe no no that's how we go down and see no do lo ni ta le ta ne ko na ye kele lo do ye ka kwa no ye kele lo do ye ka kwa no if what they has done is as bad as the crying no that has no reach me if not I will know no pretend ma no phai ni tebra la pretend no away ni no ye kele lo kwa no ta ma asa no ta le ta ma asa de ba bad no me ta ta so no le ta ko bu ro wa het tu do we su yo no me the me le no if not I will know no me at the me ani de so ye si nya ko mo no ha tera de no the man's not trying to wait and I went towards Sarah no do pa kanyo ti pa ne wa de kha ta ji do awati pagite ma level su sadon no towards Sarah no awale when past Abraham remained standing before the Lord no when so Abraham ni no usata ta pheda be no phe yua amenya ni lo no tira no then Abraham approached him and said no talo approach ni tubu asa no so Abraham tubu asa su aware no pagite ma awati odo David will you whip away now will you sweep away the righteous with the wicked no pagite ma naka mahagokwi no naka we plug kwe plogwi naka kwe plogwi wera pagite ma no kala kase pato paloda pata total ba phane okay weak and righteous no pagite ma phane no what if there are 50 righteous people in the city will you really sweep no if await and not spill no pagite ma la ke mimi jane do pagite ma la pato palo mi phane 50 no 50 no me o ga ye chi phane ni no the word plan ni naka kwe plog we do nata mapu pleba ni kathia no away different no kathia no mia no the place for the shades of the 50 restaurant people in it no ke talo wani pakanyo no pagite ma le pakanyo aga yesi akhuni no ke far be it in France you to do such a thing to keep the restaurant with the no wicked pagite ma ke pakanyo aga yesi phene mo no yesi tapata me pa mata me tato open aga yesi ne ke nakamata we iro nakamathikwi pa to palo ro pa to lo ba tia no jesus so treating the righteous and the wicked alike far be it from use no will not be just no of all the earth to no earth to right no pagitena mala away ni dera nakama no netaba mahago no netaba sinyota le haku no club pala amata gi tir phane ri no I don't no nakama sikwa no the Lord said if I find 50 rise to rest no yameti ni no pagitena mala yameti ni pakanyolo no 50 pa mi pa to agayechi in the city of Sodom no Sodom ne yameti ni pa agayechi ni no yechi ni I will spare the whole place for their sake no pagitena mala yekama pu play no yeka pagitena spell sidane no yeka mapu play with the kilakasi no yetama ba pagana yetasinyo ba no I don't damn no yetasinyo ba no po aga yesi mi open pa to palo no the word dot play no pagana matiko dot be ni yetama hawa ba no again the Abraham spoke up again no pagana saw Abraham ka to the blood no to that blood now kaini now that I have been so bold no pero so bold sidane no pagitena mala aqua ra le da chado awe ka tura ka sa yane le da chado no awe kemekena no kemekena kwa we de buba basana ke pagitena ma edo thoda we min me wara edo khi kanya we min me wara edo khi witha swe no tapwa le atamu pu mo no so bold no Let no kutaro pay dera no ask to speak to the Lords no pagitena mala awe urata kemekenaro awe no katuraro kasani no thoughts I am nothing but dust and the ashes no as pagitena mala yitimi tanon mi ba yemi ra hokukumu do pasalo no yitimi tanon mi ba yemi hokukumu do pasalo no Let us look at a painting. What if the numbers of the restaurant is 5 less than 50? 5 less than 50 sit down over 45 people, no? Let us look at Ute, no? Yechi Luga, okay? 45 people. Yechi Luga name. Will you destroy the whole city because of 5 people, no? Ke nekamahawo. Okay, nakamahawa kwi no nakamahawa kwi tikod tebini no tikod bini le pakanyo pato palo alosawe yega khunia no if I find 45 there no awani kasaka to dada no jameti ni pani pa aga luisi do yega ni he said whatever I will not destroy it no ke yetamahago destroy no yetamahago ba once again he spoke to him no the blog no awake to that away no awake to that away no what if only 40s are found there no ke me dinero 40 pa ga luisi me tini o penny no meeting opening. He said, for the sake of 40, I will not do it. No? Then he said, may the Lord not be angry. No? More kasaya tu, no? Pagdera mala angry sidan tuta ta torgi no? More tu atata torgi. But let me speak, no? Pasana kiro more jik more no duk to die yarki, no? What if only 30 can be found there? No? Ke patopalo restaurants only 30 people. No, meeting patopalo 30 ke no 30 can be found there. Meeting pa 30 penero, no? He answered, no? He answered, no? There are ways to show that I will not do it if I find 30 there, no? Yemetine po aga 30 ne jetama, no? Jetama how was go. Abraham said, Now that I have been so bold as to speak to the Lord, no? Kato ye kakatura, no? Ye udido takatu, le pagiterma keme kena, le yakatura su kasa omo, no? Yakatura su kasa, no? What if only 20 can be found there? 20, no? Tega kisiro. 20 can be found there, no? Tega kisiro. Okay, no? He said, for the sake of 20, I will not destroy it, no? Ke yametine aga kisiro. The war, no? Pagderma the war daughter plug, no city. The war daughter planning. No tap aga kisine. Mitine ni tamahawa ba, no? Tamahawa ba, no? Okay. Then he said, May the Lord not be angry, no? Get away, take it away. More kasaywa tu tatatorigi, no? But let me speak just one more, no? Okay, do to that, take the bowl, no? Just one more. Take the bowl, no? Okay, take the bowl, no? I don't dare, no? Take the bowl, no? Okay, no? What if only 10 can be found there, no? What if only 10 can be found there? Okay, take boy, no? I got silo, no? Meti penimo, no? Me huti ni penimo, no? Patopalo te got silo, no? At a table. He answered, no? The always is that, no? For the sake of 10, I will not destroy it, no? Okay. Look what I got see honey yitama hagoba, no? Okay. Look at see honey yitama hagoba. When the Lord have finished speak with Abraham, no? Panero, no? Pane kasaka turara so Abraham. We, no? We a lot keening, eh? No? He left and Abraham returned home. Do awati the pane haraway, dos Abraham aware pagiter mala haki dakile allo aklele hida welo, no? Leta no kudaro crop patu pasa le beta umupu, no? Crop patu pasa le beta umupu, no? Okay, besukumodila. What do you think? Abraham, please for certain. Okay. Only just 50 or 45 or 30 people or 20 people, only just 10 people. Okay, please for certain. The Lord said, only just 10 people. When I see there, no, I not destroy. Only how many people have there? What do you think? I think 4 people in the city. Only 4 people. Okay. We know that Lord and wife, 2 daughters. Thank you so much for today. Okay, thank you so much. You gotta listen. You can read it back there. Okay, Genesis chapter 18, verse 16 to the end. Read there, you will find something in your heart. You will get something. Okay. Let the get in tata mimi. Let the takipu. Do to keep power. No. Little my sister sihu. The sihu, with us to sihu. A sample to sihu $2, the sitani, the tin penny. No. Mogasaywa so if you do so if people component. God bless you. God will take care of you and your family too. Thank you so much. I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.